Look at all those chickens.
Well, they are making light work of that.
Should we show them our confused girl?
We're on a different video, though. All in one. That's how you get multi-content.
Hi, baby Leghorn.
Not so, baby Leghorn.
Hi, Worcester.
Hi, big buddy.
Hi, hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey, special. She has curled toes.
We tried to fix it. It didn't work, but she's still fetch.
Ow! You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You shy?
Hi, buddy.
Say hi, hey, hey.
That's Patchy, making sure everybody's got something to eat. Look at him.
Yes.
Beautiful.
That's Patchy.
He's the head honcho.
Oh, there's Betty. You trying to peck my ring, buddy?